We're going on a nature walk before I have to go to Pilates class. Come on. So we're going on a little walk. Not that bad, not that bad. It's very pretty. I really like this. So come on. We're just having a little walk. Nothing that serious. Just a little walk around the building. Listening to the birds. Okay, since this is a little nature walk, I'm going to tell you the gossip about how my school day. So we had a field trip, and we had to walk everywhere. Like we were going all the way downtown, New Bern. So we had a lot of walking, and there's one boy in my class. I'm not going to tell his name because privacy. He is running and jogging. We were partners, so him, we were partnering. We were partners, and we were jogging, keeping up with the class. Pretty easy. So that's what we did, and he fell, splat down on his face. Nothing serious, not fancy, but splat down like literally face down, and his nose cracked. I'm being for real. So yeah, little area. Yeah, this is pretty. Gossip time. Let's see. What else? That's cool. Okay. So, okay. I swear. So then, the ambulance had to come and get him, and then he went to the hospital, and then the whole field trip was canceled. The school got sued. I don't even know how school exists still. Like, gotta be kidding me. No way, Jose.